Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. For all the math experts, there's a challenge for you all today. It's a 9-dot challenge. Let's see what it is. Here, it's the 9 dots challenge. Can you draw 4 straight lines going through all these 9 dots? The condition is without lifting your hand and without retracing your path, you have to draw 4 straight lines in these 9 dots. So you can give it a try. Let us give a try. Even I am trying along with you all. You can take 9 dots like this on a paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Small dots you can consider. Let's start. I'm starting from this point. You can see the direction of the arrow mark. From this point going up. From here coming down. Diagonally down. Now going up. From here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 straight lines we got it. But 1 dot has been left over. So it's not correct. We did not fulfill the condition whatever has been given. Again 9 dots and you can try in your own way. Let's do it. Starting from this point going up. Again towards your right hand side. Coming down. See the direction of the arrow mark. And here. Again 4 straight lines we got it, but 1 dot has been left over here also. Don't worry, you can give one more try. 9 dots. Starting from the bottom here. The initial point over here. See the direction of the arrow mark. We are going towards the right hand side, going up. Now turning towards the left hand side, arrow mark. Now diagonally coming down to the point here. But here also you can observe one more point has been left over. So what's the solution for this? You can give a pause and you can keep trying. You have to connect all the 9 dots using 4 straight lines without lifting your hand and without retracing the path. You all will get the solution. Keep trying. The solution for this 9 dots is a small technique we'll use over here. This is the initial point. Just for your reference, I'm giving it as a point. No need to draw this. So starting from this point, draw a line like this. You can observe the arrow mark direction. Starting from the right hand side corner, we are going towards the left hand side. Here you can observe I have extended the line little bit to the outer side of the point. From this point, go upwards. Here also I have extended the line outside the point. Now come down. Now from here diagonally we are going up. You observe here we did not retrace the path, the condition, and one more is without lifting the hand we have drawn it and not even a single dot has been left over. And the solution is here, isn't it? One more solution you can find over here. Some people may get this kind of solution also. Starting from this point, see the arrow mark, the direction of the point. We are going up like this. Go towards your right hand side. Come down. The only logic what we are using is extend it outside the point. Don't stop only till the point. Come outside the point over here, exterior. Now again go up the fourth one. So you can observe here we got 4 straight lines and all the points have been covered. This is also one more solution. If we try, we may get many solutions for this 9 dots one. See, solution 1, solution 2, this kind starting from this point, solution 3 starting from this point, and solution 4. Everyone is unique and different way of thinking. So any of the solution is correct. And this last one, what you're considering to be as these lines, it is just out of the box. This way also folding the paper and doing, this is also correct. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.